Good morning, everybody. There's having been one of our 408 Windsor Strokers. This one's going into a truck, so we got some nice torque numbers on it. But again, we can accommodate you with the proper pan that's needed. If you want to run a March pulley system on here, we could set you up with that. Different type of timing covers go on Fords. We could paint the color of your choice on the engine, color wires. These EFI systems seem to be the big thing now. People are getting away from carburetor because EFI is more efficient, they're more dependable. So again, you're going to have us build you an engine, give us a call, and we'll design something for you. Enjoy our video. Thank you. Fire her up. How's that? That's got you set up where the RPM comes up to about 12 and goes right back down after a few to about 850.
Yeah, we're at 800.
800, 850, yep. There we go, nice. There we go, now we're firing the bad boy up.
That's going to really push that truck around.
Oh yeah.